Alright guys, in this video I will talk about 21st January 2021's new phone that is Infinix Hot 10 Play. So hey guys, I'm Ikhtier Ahmed and you are watching ARZONE. So without wasting time, let's begin. Infinix Hot 10 Play. Its display type is IPS LCD, its display size is 6.82 inches, and resolution is 1720 into 1640 pixels, and processor is MediaTek MT 6782G Helio Z25, and internal storage is 32 GB and 64 GB. Its RAM is 2 and 4 GB, and its front camera is 8 megapixel and back camera is 13 megapixel, and it has a one LED flashlight, and its battery capacity is 6000 milliampere, which is very big battery, and its charging is 10 watts fast charging, and colors are Aegean blue, Mandy green, obsidian black, and purple. So that is our video. Subscribe this channel and hit the notification icon so that you can find these kinds of tech news at first. So see you in the next video. Bye.